reviews.
As a yoga instructor, this one is always in my kit. Hello, my name is Ivory. I'm a yoga teacher and I'm here today with the Desire Company. Ikea water bottle. Really just enough said. Everything at Ikea is super simple, so is the water bottle. I've had this water bottle for about 6 months now. It's got a really nice applique on it that I think is pretty, and you guys, it was like $3. When you're practicing yoga, you definitely want to make sure you stay hydrated. This is an excellent accessory to have to add on with your mat, your blocks, your yoga practice. Make sure you do stay hydrated. This one is simple. I can bring it with me everywhere I go. It holds a ton of water. It'll last me at least half the day. I get overwhelmed with too many choices, and the water bottle game seems to be just full of so many choices on which is the best water bottle. So I saw this, I saw that it was glass, I could keep it clean really well with just some hot water, and I was like, that's for me. Simple.